Let's see, we are on YouTube, so let me- let's see, okay. If you guys got any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Okay, we're in the house now. We're just gonna do YouTube stream, I guess, for now. No, hopefully that continues. Anyways, as we were saying, got some liquidities up above, so we're watching those, seeing what price wants to do. Let's take a gander how they want to continue this. So yeah, right now going into the New York Open, they're kind of pumping this thing up, so still got some room to the upside. On the downside, if we are looking for any sort of continuation to the downside, we're going to be watching these liquidities and this OTE of the London session. You can see they're holding it up nicely. And like we said, on this hourly, this is where we wanted to see below, right, as that was wicking up. Right now, if we were looking for downside, we would need to get below the closing price of that previous hourly candle, so around the 25,752.50 area. But this 4 hour still cranking to the upside, so we're gonna keep watching here. Let's see what they want to do into that hourly. If you guys got any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comments or in the chat. We'll answer them. Curious to see how they want to open this baby up here at 10 o'clock. Yeah, so we're going to be, let's continue watching here. Curious to see what they want to do out here. Let's see, we're opening up on some of these. Lockheed still opening up a little lower. Costco pre-market 855. Let's pull up the dailies. Check out some of these longs on crypto that we had. Deep, decent. Deep, I think, is the only crypto that I'm looking at right now that I want to see some sort of run. Let's see where Deep is at. Deep has swept those wicks, so right now, above that CSD would be awesome. Holding the previous daily equal right now. So watching and waiting to see how they want to manipulate price here going into that session. Let's see what they bring us on in Q. Like we said, if we want to see a reversal, they would need to sweep to the top. Possibly reverse to the downside, right? That is, given that this is the top of that OTE right here. Given the OTE, that 12-hour level is still holding. There's our 12-hour here, 25,853 is still to the top. Well, that's what we're going to be watching here. Given the interaction between Asian session and London session off of our daily plan, we said during our outline over here, right? It does look like price did do this number right there. Consolidation, manipulation, so possible New York reversal. But that is what we are watching for right now. Seeing, okay, is price actually wanting to reverse, or is this just, you know, just a straight up day that we're going to have? It's completely fine with us either way. That's why we're watching and seeing what price wants to do, actually. Few levels that we're going to be watching is this New York session open at 25,749.50. See what they want to do there. 1 minute SFB going into the session. Let's see how they want to, what they want to do out here. Gonna be watching that VIX fix for longs. If we're looking to long this into the open, we're gonna be watching for VIX fix to retrace to see what VIX fix wants to do. 3 minutes till market opens up. Wiki price action. Might open up and just send a straight shooter to the upside. That's what it feels like. Let's see. We're gonna keep extending this OT until possible retrace into OT, but not necessary with how they're pumping this 4 hour and how they're pumping this hourly. So we got that liquidity on the upside, so you're gonna be watching that. Yo, there you go. Thanks, Rexy. Thank you for being in the house, sir. Let's see, so they're continuing this puppy. What we got to that, but curious how they open these up. Pre-market, just that previous weekly low sweeps probably on some of these. Lock-in 473, 474 close, target 98 open. Open above where we wanted a little bit. MA pre-market 57224. Okay. Let's see, and we're open. See, we're going to be watching this area over here, this OTE. See what they want to do. Swept that previous 15-minute low. Let's see, 1 minute SFP. One minute would probably need to close below here for us to see, or like below that level right there for us to continue to the downside. Let's see here. Sweep with the top. Nice. So a little retrace on that 5 minute. We are looking for a reversal here. We need to be watching this previous candle high right there. The close below that possibility increases for us, but if not, so we got an outside 15 minutes so far. Let's sweep at the bottom. And now it looks like I'm gonna rush the top, but let's see what they do here. Let's see, where's our MA? Nice little MA LMT up nicely. Okay, beautiful. So manipulate us to the upside. Cover 2 here. Covered one more. Alright, Malowdy. Let's see, it looks like they might want to reverse this all the way down. If they take it all the way down over here, that's where we're going to be watching for those reactions. Let's see if that's what they want to give us here in the next 5 minutes. We'll be watching for reaction around this previous weekly high, 25,668. To continue this, we could be looking at the Asian session lows here. $25,645. This midnight open. It's right on that New York midnight open. bounce on that. That price would need to break if we're looking for lower prices. Alright, decent S&P right there on the 1 minute. Even now looking at the whole session, I mean, so 705 bounce right there. Let's see if they continue this through this New York Midnight Open is what we're looking at. If we're trying to capture this at 25, 645.50. Possibility of this liquidity as well. 25, 661s. 25, 66 to 25. See what they give us on this next 5 minute.